going on, everybody? It's Bennett with Skyway Equipment Rental and Sales here in Tampa Bay, Florida. Today we have a special video for you guys. We're going to be going over some 2024 excavators. Behind me I have a JCB 50Z1, I have a Bobcat E48, and I have a Deere 50P. We're going to be going over specs, some of the features they have, and just kind of showing everybody a little bit between open cab, closed cab, and closed cab premium. So follow along, let's check these machines out, and I want to know which machine you guys are interested in buying. So thank you so much to Briggs JCB of Tampa Bay for allowing us to bring this machine out and demo it today. So I'm sitting in the JCB 50Z-1 machine. This is an open cab excavator. So for you guys that want to know, there's a few different types of excavators on the market that you can buy. You can buy an open station or open cab like this is. You can buy a closed cab, and then you can get a closed cab that has all the options on it. So just like when you go buy a new car or truck, you can get a base model, or you can get all the way up to a platinum or Denali or whatever you want to call it. So this right here is what you consider as a base model, just very basic, bare bones. It has everything you need to work. It doesn't have anything extra. It has a nice little digital screen with analog gauges on it as well, so it's nice. You can look right there. You can see your RPMs, your fuel, your temperatures, and then it has the nice small little digital screen that you can see everything on. This one has a moving blade, so the blade moves left to right and up and down, which is nice. This is an 11,000 pound machine, so all the machines that we have here are in that 10,000 pound weight class, plus or minus a little bit. This machine has a 48.3 horsepower diesel Kohler engine. It'll dig to a depth of 11.5 feet and a maximum dump height of 13 feet. So this is a really great platform, very simple, not a lot to use, has a key start. This is exactly what we would be looking for the rental market, just something basic, easy to use.
I was waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
All right, so I'm sitting inside the 2024 Bobcat E48 Platinum Edition machine. This excavator has every single bell and whistle you could possibly ask for inside an excavator. So to start, it has a 7-inch full color display. This machine has a backup camera, has audio, Bluetooth. You can connect your phone. You can do so much from this app. It shows all your system functions, all your temperatures, pressures, your fuel level, your oil, everything. This machine is a 42 horsepower diesel engine. It has a dig depth of 10.5 feet, and it has a angle blade on it. So same thing as the JCB. You can move it up, down, left, and right. So when you're pushing dirt, moving whatever, you are able to do that. So just like the JCB, the Bobcats are available in open station all the way up to this closed cab Platinum Edition. So you can get a closed cab machine that doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It just really depends on price and the application they're using the machine. If you're sitting in this machine working every single day, yes, having all these awesome accessories are awesome. You would definitely want it. You want to be able to listen to the radio, have your phone connected, and all that. If you're out on a job site or you're running the machines out, this might not be the best option. So this video, we're not making this video to brag on any of the machines or brands. We're just showing you the options that are available. Every single machine and the brands that we have here today, you can get in any configuration, all the way up to the top of the line, or just keep it basic. So the Deere 50P is a 10,800 pound machine. It has a dig depth of 11 feet 7 inches, and it has a 35.9 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine. This machine also has a articulating blade up front. You can turn it left to right, up and down, just like all the other three. And it has the digital screen that has all your functions on it, your RPMs, your fuel level, your temperature level, your engine hours, and you have your throttle, windshield wipers, light controls, blade controls, and then obviously your joystick controls. So just like the other ones, you can get this machine fully loaded if you wanted to. Obviously, the more you build onto a machine, the higher the price gets. But this is just a very simple standard cab machine. I want to give a big shout out to the gentleman who helped set this up. Josh over at Everglades John Deere, thank you so much. Ken at Bobcat of Tampa, thank you. Billy with Briggs JCB in Tampa, thank you so much. Without you guys, this video wouldn't be possible. So I'm going to put their information down below. If you guys are in the Tampa Bay, Florida area and you're looking to buy either a JCB, Bobcat, or John Deere, give these guys below a call. It doesn't matter if it's an excavator, skid steer, or any other product in their line. Give them a call. I've worked with these guys multiple times. I trust them. They're great guys. They know exactly what they're talking about, and they'll get you the right machine. All right, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when our new videos are being posted, and comment down below which machine you're most interested in and why. If you want to see more of stuff like this, make sure you comment that as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one. I have to go take care of my sick and injured business partner who took a terrible tumble at the John Deere dealership yesterday. He doesn't have a right arm anymore. See you guys later.